Hi, in this video we are going to continue the web host registration. This is a list of suggestions how you can use this video. The notes for this video can be found on this URL, which is here. So on chapter 4 we have already signed up for account. We will register a subdomain with first name, last name, initial, which is Richard R. And we talk about online manager, and we are going to use FTP. Okay. To use FTP, we need to use a software called WinSCP. You need to download that software and install. I have a link here that links to a WinSCP FTP client. WinSCP basically is an FTP client you can use for Windows. You can Google it, you can find it really easily. For me, I just follow this link. And so this is the release. You can go to download page and download. Just make sure you download the correct software. You don't need to pay for it. It's actually free. Okay. So let's try to go to the download page. And if you download WinSCP, you look for the installation package. You save this and then you install. Okay. I'm not going to go through this because I have WinSCP running on my computer. So I'm not going to install it, okay? But if you need WinSCP, you know how to install that. It's pretty easy, and this is the icon, okay? So after you install WinSCP on your computer, you can always search for it. And then you can open it. As you can see, I have a couple of accounts there, so I don't really. Of course, I'm not using them right now. So I'm going to use this WinSCP client to log into the accounts we have just created and to update this file in the file manager. Okay. So I'm going to create a new connection. And make sure you change this to FTP, not SFTP, which is secure FTP, not that, just FTP. Host name is the FTP host name, which is here. Control C, Control V to paste. Username is FTP username here. Password is the password you have just typed when you register. And you can log in. So you are in. So on the left side is what you see on C drive. On the right side is what you see on server, which is exactly the same as what you see in the file manager. You can see that htdocs override do not upload files here. So these are the stuff you can see. Okay. So that was pretty cool, right? But the problem is I want to be able to log into this place every time. I don't want to every time key in the same information. So I'm going to save this. So let me get out. Search for WinSCP again. Probably I should pin this on my taskbar, but I have too many things on my taskbar, so I'll just go in here. So create a new connection again, use the information here, FTP, hostname, username and password. I'm going to save as the username FTP by host 7, WordPress video. So I know that this is for WordPress video. I'm going to save the password, okay? So that later when I update files, it will be easier. It's not recommended. Just make sure your computer is not stolen by people and that kind of stuff. So, okay. So I save it. So next time, when I want to go in, all I need to do is double click on here. I'm in, okay? I want to copy something from my C10 to the htdocs. I'm going to quickly create a file called index.htm and then I'm going to transfer it over. Okay? All right. So let's go to my C10. In my WordPress, I need to quickly create a file. Right click, text document. I'm going to call it index.htm. You want to save? Yes. You want to change the extension? Yes. And I'm going to open this in Notepad++. I'm going to create a HTML document real quick. Okay. So I don't want to type everything right now, so I'm just going to go to my WordPress page. I think there is a link. Okay, there's no link to my I just need HTML template, so I'm just going to go to W3C Wiki HTML training for beginners. I'm just going to copy a template. I'm just going to copy this template. Paste it here. Give it a title. And I'm going to say save. Okay, so I quickly created a page in here, and it looks like it looks like this. Okay, really simple page. And I'm going to move it over here, HD docs. Okay, so to replace this page, I have my WinSCP set up properly, log into the account. So on the left side is my C10. I'm going to go to my WordPress. On the right side is HD docs on the server. So I'm going to drag it over, copy. So now I have two index files. Obviously, index.html should overtake that. So I'm going to come over here, reload. Hey, I changed the first page of my web page. Okay, and then I don't need this anymore, so I'm just going to delete it. So I changed the first page of my website, and I delete the old first page. The website will automatically pick up index.html, index.html, index2.html, so on and so forth. Okay. And then let me go back to the file manager to double check. Let me try to reload. You realize that is when you reload, you will update that. Okay. So we have updated the first page of our host. That's a good place to stop. Thanks for watching.